Disclaimer: I'm not a medical professional. I work as an AI programmer, algorithm mathematician. I just have an interest in this stuff, so the following is not to be taken as medical advice. I'm not responsible for any damage that might incur to your health from following this advice. And the tips are: 1. Consume some resveratrol, 2. Consume some honey, 3. Consume some capsaicin, and finally get 8 hours of sleep each night. 1. Resveratrol is a sirtuin, thus meaning it is an activator of the enzyme group known as the sirtuins. I will get back to what these enzymes do a little later. And apart from that, resveratrol is a powerful antioxidant, fungicide, antibiotic, and has shown effect against certain cancers. But anyways, back to the sirtuins. What these enzymes do is that they remove an acetyl group from proteins involved in the cellular regulation. They simply put regulate cellular metabolism, division, and other functions of the cell such as communication. And thereby they make your guys stronger, as the immune defense system relies heavily on cellular communication and division. I forgot good sources include red grapes, peanuts, and supplements. 2. Consume some honey. Why? Well, because it's good for you. And bad for viruses, bacteria, etc. inside you. Okay, but why? Allow me to explain. For starters, it's a much healthier sweetener than all that synthetic crap and all the other sugars that you're probably consuming now. Second of all, it is a great source of antioxidants. It can also decrease the risk that you get a heart attack, and has also been shown to have a positive effect on LDL cholesterol. So it decreases the chance you end up in the hospital. Just make sure to get some high-quality honey. Always read the labels. Because syrup is cheaper than honey. And this means that honey producers are mixing the syrup with the honey in an effort to keep prices down. And if it's a 70/30 mix of honey and syrup respectively, then that kinda defeats the purpose of this tip. 3. First of all, what is capsaicin? Capsaicin is the stuff that makes chilies hot and spicy. And why should you consume it? Well, allow me to explain. Ever noticed that your body temperature increases as a result of consuming something spicy? This is due to the fact that capsaicin increases your stomach's acid secretion, thus allowing for the food to get broken down faster and better. Although it is some enzymes that are responsible for breaking down your food and not the acid, these enzymes are still dependent on the acid. Thus meaning that your body gets even more energy to utilize in the mitochondria. So what is a mitochondria? It is the cell's power plant creating heat from breaking down ATP, and other molecules. And also the increase in stomach acid also protects from certain food-borne diseases. Great sources includes chili, well, of course. And it also available as supplements targeted towards weight loss. 4. Why do I need to sleep at least 8 hours a day? Firstly, because it reduces stress. Secondly, it improves your intelligence, thus making it easier to avoid contagion. But let's take a deep look at what sleep really does to your body. Firstly, it helps the brain clear waste. Secondly, it helps your body recover. Thirdly, it puts a shutdown on most cells of the body except maybe your immune defense system, thus meaning that your guys are better at sniffing out pathogens during sleep. So please get like 8 hours of sleep. But why 8? If you can solve that, then there is a Nobel Prize with your name on it waiting in Stockholm. That is it for this video. See you in the next one. If you hit the subscribe, and also please like if you found this video useful.